Welcome to Nektony's podcast. This podcast covers the most relevant topics regarding macOS and iOS. The goal of our show is to describe to our listeners how to keep their smart devices fast, clean, and free of junk. When checking your Mac's storage usage, you might discover that the other storage category is taking up quite a lot of space on your device. Now, we'll explain what that mysterious storage is, where it is located, and how to clear other storage on Mac. If you want to view the storage space usage on your Mac, you should first click the Apple icon in the menu bar, then select About This Mac option, and finally, in the open window, switch to the Storage tab. And in the colorful storage bar graph, find the other category to learn how much storage it takes. In our case, the other storage category takes up the most space in comparison to the rest of the file categories. If you find yourself in the same situation, don't worry. We're going to simplify your life and share with you how to delete the other storage on your Mac. First things first. First of all, you should know what is other storage on Mac. In short, other storage contains all the files that do not match the specified standard categories displayed on the storage chart, such as documents, photos, apps, movies, audio, etc. Other storage includes the following types of files: system temporary files, macOS system files, archive and disk images, personal user data, files from a user's library, cache files, fonts, plugins, extensions, hidden files. However, keep in mind that other storage doesn't always mean garbage, as there are some useful files kept in this category. That's why it's a good idea to use a dedicated removal tool like MacCleaner Pro when trying to reclaim your disk space. So, how to delete other storage on Mac? Most files in the other category are not wasteful in nature. They support apps or system processes to help them run more efficiently. Over time, however, they can clog up your drive and make your Mac run slower. To clear them up and speed things up once more, we recommend you to perform 5 easy steps using the special software tool called MacCleaner Pro. This software can be downloaded directly from the Nektony.com website. The first step is to clear cache. To quickly find and safely remove cache files on your Mac, you should launch the MacCleaner Pro software and go to Cleanup Mac tab. Tick the Caches checkbox here and click the Cleanup button. Step 2. Remove installation files. By default, all files downloaded from the internet are stored in the Downloads folder. Looking in here, you will find installations such as PKG files and DMG files that are no longer needed and can be deleted. So, to save space, explore the Downloads folder and remove all unnecessary files. This step can also be performed with the help of MacCleaner Pro. For this, you should launch the software and go to the same Cleanup Mac tab. This time, select the Installation Files option, then click the Cleanup button to get rid of them. Step 3. Remove extensions. Extension files such as plugins, installation files, screensavers, and web browser extensions can take up a lot of disk space on your Mac. There is also the factor that some extensions might have a negative effect on your system, noticeably slowing things down. If you can live without the features they offer, we recommend finding and getting rid of them. Once more, instead of manually searching for extension files, we recommend using MacCleaner Pro. With this solution, you can automatically find all extensions and safely remove them. Go to Uninstall Application tab of MacCleaner Pro and click on the Launch App Cleaner and Uninstaller button. Once the tool is launched, it will display all your installed applications and extensions. Switch to the Extensions tab and select unneeded ones. Then click on the Remove button to get rid of them. Step 4. Remove application support files. Besides caches, each application creates and stores other support files on your Mac, such as logs and preferences. To remove application support files, we recommend you to launch App Cleaner and Uninstaller tool from MacCleaner Pro. Once the tool is launched, Select any app from the list on the left and view its support files in the pane on the right. To remove its support files, you should select all listed files except the executables and click the Remove button. Step 5. Remove large unneeded files. Fortunately, even in this case, you don't have to waste hours finding the large files on your Mac. In the Mac Cleaner Pro window, select Disk Space Usage tab and launch the Disk Space Analyzer tool. Once your storage is scanned, you will see a sunburst diagram that visually displays your disk space usage. Observe the bulkiest content, including hidden and system files. Find files that take up the most space of your drive and remove them. There you have it. Several ways to clean up other storage and get more free space on your Mac. You can either delete files with Mac Cleaner Pro as it was discussed in this podcast, or perform all the steps manually. The link with manual guides are attached in the description of this podcast.